Hello everyone, my name is Adarsh Anshuman and this is my submission for the Kaggle AI Agents Intensive Vibe Coding Capstone Project. Today I am presenting Aegis Concierge, a privacy-first multi-agent AI assistant built with FastAPI. The project combines zero trust security, PII masking, threat detection, intelligent multi-agent routing, local RAG, and audit logging. To demonstrate how secure the modular AI systems can be built, in this video I will explain the problem, workflow, and architecture, demonstrate the live application, and show how the security pipeline works. Many AI assistants send user prompts directly to a language model without checking if they contain sensitive information. This can expose personal data such as email addresses, API keys, or password. They also processes every request through the same workflow, making them less efficient and harder to scale. To solve these problems, I built Aegis Concierge, where every request is secured first and then intelligently routed to the most appropriate agent. If we see the architecture, here is overall architecture of the system. Every request starts with the fast API and immediately enters the zero trust security layer. The PII masker detects and masks sensitive information such as email addresses or API keys. Next, the threat detection module checks the request for suspicious or malicious prompts. Once the request is considered safe, it is passed to the intelligent router, which identifies the user intent and routes the request to a specialized agent. Developer-related queries use a local RAG module, this one, to retrieve documentation from a local knowledge base instead of relying on external services. Finally, every interaction is stored in Audit Logger, providing complete traceability before the response is returned to the user. If we see the code here, the project follows a clean and modular architecture. The security folder contains the PII masker, threat detection modules, etc. The skills folder contains the intelligent routing logic. The tools folder contains and implements the local RAG knowledge retrieval system. Utility functions including audit logging are placed inside the utils folder. This modular design makes the project easy to maintain and extend with additional agents in the future. Let me demonstrate you and run the program. So first of all, we need to run the server. Application starter complete. Now we will go here and copy this link and open new tab and paste this link here. It will open the dashboard. Okay, let's go here. We'll copy this prompt, go to the website, click try it now, change this user prompt, Ctrl V, paste it here, execute the code. This is our result. In this example, I am intentionally including my email address in the request. The request is first passes through the security layer. This sensitive information is masked before any process takes place. After execution, we receive a successful response. The router correctly identifies this as a developer request and forwards it to the developer agent. The developer agent retrieves API documentation from the local RAG knowledge and base and returns the relevant information. This demonstrates secure processing, intelligent routing, and retrieval-based response generation working together. If we see the audit logging here, here we can see the original prompt, the mask prompt, and the risk score, selected route, response time, and timestamp. This provides transparency, debugging, and provides a clear record of how each request was handled. If we extend this, we can also see this here. The PIM masker sanitize the data. Like here, the email is mentioned, and here the email is masked. Now we will move to the deployment and conclusion. Let me show you the deployment on. I have deployed this project on Render here and is publicly accessible through a FastAPI endpoint with interactive Swagger documentation. The complete source code, architecture diagrams, development instructions, and documentation are available on GitHub. Aegis Concierge demonstrate how AI assistants can be designed with privacy, security, and modularity as a core principle through zero trust security, multi-agent routing, local RAG, and structured audit logging. Thank you for watching the video. And this was my submission for the Kaggle AI Agents Capstone Project demonstration. Let me also load this online website. Okay, it loaded here. Now we can also do the same here. Like try it out, change the user prompt, and we can run execute it here also. So it will execute on the render. Thank you for watching the video.